like this.
Bags
For eating.
like that.
So that if you eat, not messy.
Yes, correct.
Correct, like that.
Half. Yeah. I don't know how to do. Then my friend teach us.
Mama, Mama.
Oh.
Then I forgot review.
Why you forget?
I saw.
The one is handicraft, is it? Aray, masakit! Masakit kaya.
Oh, Indonesia call trombo lah.
Indonesia, what call?
Gawin mo nga. Ikaw pa, gagawin. Masakit?
Masakit.
Abdi, no?
Up to you lah. You want to leather first also can, but I easy leather.
I forgot, really. I forgot. I always think
So, Giol. Lagi ngapain?
Make sure the paper is not using anymore. It's scratch.
Yeah.
And must be harder, right? The paper must hard.
Yeah.
Like this, for me, easy. Like this.
Because wet you faster broken.
Yeah, gaho.
Mas,
Become wet, right?
Yeah.
I think foil can do lah. Foil, right? Foil, you know?
Ah, ya sayang lah itu for you.
Oh, okay. Yeah, extend that books throw away, then we do lah.
Kenapa ya?
I forgot really.
You first employer make this one.
Ah, must 2 pieces.
Ya, beko satu tirik. You see?
Kasi mapapasa naman kung kumain ka, di ba? Hindi mo kailangan yung garbage. Hindi mo kailangan yung plato paglagyan ng mga bulol, di ba?
Even the leaves can do lah. Banana leaves can. Oh, no need.
Banana leaves.
Banana leaves. Yeah, the leaves, right? Can eat ma, the leaves.
Can, but use the, you know, the one what is called like.
Oh, very clever to do.
Tip.
Ay! Nakakahol ka pa. Sorry!
Huh?
Ay, Heidi. Okay. Sorry.
Dia lagi ngapain? Suara apa tuh?
Yung baby
Ya.
Ah, your baby? Big already. Eldest?
No, this one younger. This
Ah.
one 3 years old.
Oh.
Dia bikin apa sih bising? Ya? Iya.
Ay, hindi ko naalala.
Lama!
Hindi ko naalala.
Forget that.
Ikaw?
Yeah.
Ikaw din.
Ako ang...
Ako. Ako ang nagawat. Ikaw din. Bilis.